Hi, my dear children. How are you? I hope everyone are fine, and I also hope that you saw my all video in first chapter, that is World Around Us. Did you see my video, everyone? Very good. You have to see that video. Okay. So last class we have already discussed what is living things, what is non-living things, and what are the neighbors, what is living and non-living, okay, and what is natural, what is man-made. Today it is time to check our knowledge, okay. How much we have studied today we will check together, okay student. Shall we start? Very good. Okay, we will start now. So the first chapter is the world around us. Here the picture is given. In that picture, living, non-living things, man-made and natural things also given. Directly we will come to our. See here, some things are living and some things are non-living. Now we will come to our activity part, okay, and we will check our knowledge, how much we have studied, what we have learnt, okay. Write L for living things and NL for non-living things. Means L is the short form for living things and NL for the short form of non-living things. Understood? So now we have to see the picture and we have to see the picture, then we have to say which is living and which is non-living. Understood, student? Okay. See, it is a tree. It is a living or non-living? Very good, living, because we said the living things need water, food, light to grow, and non-living things does not need any food, water to grow. So plant will grow, it is a living things. House, where we are staying, day night, so it is living or non-living? Is it grow? No, so it is non-living things, NL. Okay, now it is our school where we will study regular. Okay, is it living or non-living? Very good, it is non-living. It will not grow, it does not need any water, food and light to grow. Okay, now we will come to our a dog. Dog is living or non-living? It is living. So it is L, because L for living, NL for non-living, because dog needs food, water to grow. Okay, and it can move one place to another place. You might have seen many dogs in your home, society, or in your colony, or in your home. Okay, so dog can move one place to another, it need water, food to grow. Okay, now we will come to Joe. Joe is a living or non-living things? It is a non-living things, because in Joe there are many kinds of animals and birds are there, but Joe is a name of the where we will keep the different types of plant and animals and birds. So Joe is a non-living things, that means NL. Now we will come to parrot. Parrot can move, can go one place to another place. It will need water, food, light to grow. So it is living things, means L. Okay. Now come to cow. Cow gives milk to us, yes or no? And it can move one place to another place, it can grow, so it is living things, means L. Now we come to street light. In night time you saw in your colony, in your street also the light given, so that light is not to grow, it will give only light, it does not need any kind of food, water, so it is NL. NL means non-living, NL means NL means non-living and L for living. Understood? Now we will come to flower. It is a small plant, flower is there, so it will grow. Is it living or non living? Very good, it is living. Okay, now we come to, there are two, mother and father is there and one children is there, so they are living or non living? Your parents are living or non living? Are you living or non living? Very good. We all human being or all people, animal are living. Plant also living, because we need food, water to grow and air to breathe, and we can move one place to another place. So it is living things, means L. Understood? Very good, student. Now we will come to our another part, that is boss. See, boss is living or non living? Who will say? Very good. Boss is a non living thing, because it does not need any food, water to grow. It can move by the help of a driver. You see, it is driver is drive the bus. So that with the help of driver, it can move one place to another place. You might have gone any bus or in your bike, your parents' bike, or in your mother's scooty, to you are coming every day to from your home to school with the help of scooty or with the help of school van. So this van and car, bus, they are non-living, because they don't need any kind of food, water to grow. But they will move, they will go one place to another by the help of driver man. Okay, they will control or they will ride the bus, so that it can move. Okay, so these are living for L. Which is living things, we should put L. Which is non-living things, we will put NL, non-living. Understood? So look at plants, animals and people are living things. See, plants, animals and people are living things, because they can move one place to another, they can grow, they need water, food and other things to grow. Okay, now we will see. Here you see a family member is there, I said about, and brother and sister and their parents, mother and father and their home, and their grandfather and grandmother, and they will play with a dog. They enjoy playing with a dog with a ball in this garden, in a garden. And this girls had got both dog and the ball as a gift when she was 5 years old. When she was 5 years old means when you are in small children, her father gifted a dog and ball. She played with ball and dog. But now she becomes 8 years old. 8 years old means she becomes elder. Okay, so now that dog becomes grow and she also grown up, but that ball remains same. That means ball is a non-living thing. It cannot grow day to day life. Okay, so we studied living things need food, water and air to live. Living things grow and die, and most living things can move one place to another place. Now we will come to our, so plants are living things too. They can move. Can they move one place to another, or can they move on their own? No, plants are living things, but it cannot move their own, because plant cannot move one place to another place, but it is a living things. Understood? Our earth is home to both living and non-living things. This is our earth. I show you. Okay, in our earth, every living, non-living things are there. Peoples are there, different plants, animals and houses and car, bus, all things are including our earth. Okay, so this is our home to both living and non-living. How is your home to both you and your parents? You are staying in your home like this. If our earth is a home, in this home we all living and non-living things are staying in this earth only. We are living in this earth only. Understood? Now we will go for our another part. Name 3 things which need food and water to live. Name 3 things which need food and water to live. Who will say? Very good. First is we know living things need food and water. So people, plants and animals. People, plant and animals need food and water to live. Understood, student? Thank you. Second, name 3 things which do not need food and water to live. Name 3 things which do not need food and water to live. Who will say? Tell me 3 things which do not need any type of food and water to live. Very good. Very good. Pen or pencil, bag or table. Any other example you can give? Mobile phone, eraser, geometry box, whiteboard, table, fan, okay, bed. They don't need any kind of food and water to live. Okay. Third question. Name 3 things that can move on their own from one place to another. Name 3 things that can move on their own from one place to another. Who will say? Very good. People means we are. Okay. Then birds. Okay. Any kind of birds means pigeons, peacock, parrot. They can move one place to another place. They can fly one place to another place. And animals like tiger, lion, horse, ox, cow. They can move one place to another place. Okay, student? Understood? You have to write down these things in your books, and you have to write down in your notebook, and you have to practice. You have to read the books properly. Okay. Now we will come to natural. This is natural and man-made things. Okay. Natural. What are the natural and what are the man-made? I have discussed in last class. Yes or no? Look at the picture very carefully, and tell me what are the things you are observing here. Who will say? Very good. Can anyone tell me 6 things one by one? Tell me what are the things you are observing in this picture. Very good. We can see first car, we can see children are there, trees are there, means plant are there, houses are there, river are there, moon are there, or mountain also are there, road also there, field also are there. Alright, okay. So now who will say me 6 things you can see in this picture? First is plants, children, car, house, 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 river and moon. Moon is here, okay, and this is the sky, this is the river, this is the mountain, this is the tree, this is the children, and car, houses, sun is here. So we can see different kinds of things are there. Okay. Now, are all things made by man? I told you all things are not made by man. Whatever we saw now in this picture, it is not made by man. Some things are natural, some things are man-made. Okay. So this is man-made. Car is man-made. Water is natural. Moon is natural. Sun is natural. And plant is natural. And house is man-made. We will make our house, and plant is natural. Okay. So river is natural. So are all these things made by man? No, these all things are not made by man. Now we will come. The sun, moon, river and rocks are all natural things. Whatever we saw here, the sun, moon, river and rocks are natural because it is God creation or it is natural things. They are found in nature. They are found in our nature automatically in our environment. Okay, they are not made by man. They are not made by man. Okay. The hot, car, bed and road are made by man. The bed, car and the house are made by man. They are called man-made things. Okay, we make things for our use. We make things for our use. Yes or no? We make car for our use because we can move one place to another place. We can go from our home to market, from our home to relatives' homes, because we make things for our purpose, for our needed. Okay, like we are using mobile phone because for our purpose, because we can talk with our relatives, with our friends, for any cases. Okay, so all non-living things are either natural or man-made. All non-living things either natural or man-made. Who will say? No, some of the non-living things also are natural. Like mountain is not living things, but it is natural. Okay. Water is also non-living things, but it is water is a non-living things, but it is natural, not man-made. Okay. Now we will come for our activity. Write N for capital N for natural and MM means man-made for man-made things. Once again, write N capital N for natural. Which is natural things? We have to write capital N. Means first letter is N and man-made MM for man-made things. For first letter man, for first letter man means man. MM for man-made things. Okay, we have to write N for natural things and MM for man-made things. Understood? Who will say aeroplane is a natural or man-made? Very good. Aeroplane is man-made because it is made by man. And clouds, it is a clouds is natural or man-made? Natural. And house, home, where we are staying, it is man-made. Okay. And who will say this is natural or man-made? This is natural. C is the natural. So here we are writing L. Okay. Now shirt, what we are wearing, dress, man-made or natural? It is man-made because it is not by nature. And mountain is a natural. Understood? Mountain is a natural because it is found in nature. Shoe we are making, it is man-made. Star, who will say natural or man-made? In night time in sky we will see star. Who will say? Very good, it is natural. And books and pens and pencil and eraser, who will say this is natural or man-made? Because this is man-made. We can purchase from shopkeeper. It is made by people. Okay, so it is man-made. So pencil, pen is man-made and books also man-made. So student, everyone understood? I think everyone understood. And see the video and fill in the blanks. Write down your all answer in your notebook and book also with the help of pencil. Okay, and read again and again. Any doubt you ask me. Study well, read well, eat well, sleep well, student. So my dear student, thank you. We have discussed the all things about our natural, man-made and living, non-living things. So thank you student. Study well. Next class we will again discuss about our exercise part. So thank you student. Take care.